Hey guys, it's Amber. Welcome back to another vlog. It is currently Sunday right now and I just need a good like Sunday reset, okay? Like I need to just get my life together. Honestly, it has been very just busy lately, from all the traveling as you guys have seen on the channel to just celebrating family and friends and all the things that's been going on. So I'm like, you know what? I just need to get my life in order, okay? Like I just need a good old reset. So today we have a couple things on the list. I need to go pick up my grocery order from Kroger and also go to Publix. So we're gonna do that. Then I need to come home and like get this house together, because what is a Sunday reset without getting the house together in order and cleaning the house, okay? So we're gonna clean the house because y'all, it is a tornado right now. It's bad, okay? So I'll show you guys that a little later. But then I was like, you know what? Today I want to do something good for the soul. And they actually have the Atlanta Home Parade going on, where you can do like free self-guided tours of like model homes. And obviously you guys know that I am in the process of transforming my house into a home. And I love just touring homes in general anyway. So I was like, you know what? Let me go to this today. Like this would be so good for the soul, just to go look at all the model homes and look at all the decor. I just love looking at homes and decor and all the things. So that's just like something good for my soul today. So I'm definitely going to do that. I think my mom's actually coming with me, so you guys will see her a little later in the vlog, but we'll probably only do like 2 neighborhoods or something like that. Nothing crazy, but I'm definitely taking you guys along with me today. So let's just get right into the day. I just got home, got all of the groceries from pickup. This honestly cuts down so much time and is definitely a game changer when it comes to just grocery shopping in general. So I'm gonna put my groceries up really quick and then I will see you guys in a second when we get ready to tour the homes. Groceries are put up. I just love how satisfying the fridge looks after a grocery run. Like, look at this, y'all. So satisfying. Anyway, my mom is on the way here because we're about to go to the Atlanta Home Parades, like I said before. So we're gonna probably just hit up 2 neighborhoods just because they're kind of all like around the metro Atlanta area, and I just don't want to be driving like everywhere, but there are 2 neighborhoods in particular that I do want to go and just look, just to be nosy. We are about to go head out right now, but we're gonna look at the houses first, and then I need to come back and clean this house because y'all, it is a mess, okay? It is a hot mess. That's just the preview. I mean, it may not look like a mess, but there's dishes in the sink, you know, stuff everywhere in the living room. And you know how when you haven't like cleaned your house in a little bit, a little tang start to permeate? That's what it feels like, okay? So anyway, we're about to go and I'll see you guys in a minute. All right guys, so guess who I have with me? We're here at the first house. So we're gonna go tour them really quick. So I will take you guys with me. I like this blue. It's really pretty. I love this, the floors. Aren't the floors pretty? Mm-hmm. Wow. Look how open this is, Mom. Is this? So this is kind of like a little like game area, and then you can like overlook the banister here. I love this layout. Bathroom. Guys, we are back from touring the homes. It was so fun just to see all of like the model homes and to get some inspo. So hopefully that inspired you guys as well. I highly recommend like just going and walking into a model home if you like live in an area where there's like new construction or something going on. I don't know, I think it really just kind of, like I said, gives you inspo what you want to do in your own home, in your own space, even if you don't own a home, whether it's like an apartment, whatever. It just gives you like a lot of like inspiration for that, or just kind of like manifesting what you want for the future. I always feel like that is like a really great way to manifest. But anyway, I'm back home. I'm also filming a TikTok too while watching my favorite YouTube creator, Raven Elise. But I'm back home and y'all, this is a mess, okay? I brought some stuff in from my car. It's stuff everywhere in this house. So right now, we're about to do a little reset before I cook dinner. So let's just get into it. Everything is clean and reset for the week. Also, the living room is clean as well too. No more tang. It definitely smells a lot better in here. I still need to actually clean these pendants right here. As you can see, it's probably like, I don't know if you guys can tell on camera, but it's showing up pretty foggy probably on camera. It is pretty foggy in person. So I do need to probably do that. I'll do that maybe later tonight because I still need to mop the floors as well too. But I'm about to make dinner, so I'm like, let me just make dinner first and then I'll mop the floors when I'm done with that. That way I'm not in the kitchen for the rest of the night. But I'm gonna end this vlog here. I really enjoyed spending the day with you guys. Today was fun. This is definitely my ideal Sunday, just being able to get everything done, clean the house, and do something a little bit for myself as well too that brings me joy. So I'm definitely gonna try to practice this a little bit more in my Sunday reset routines, just to kind of get myself ready for the week, because the week, you know, sometimes like the week you just be going through it. So definitely gotta reset and get ready for the week. But I'm gonna end this vlog here. I love you guys and I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye.